Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. And if you're anything like most people, chances are you've struggled with sleep at some point. Whether it's occasional stress keeping you up or maybe you're dealing with something more persistent, poor sleep can really take a toll on your health and well-being. But the good news is, you don't necessarily have to reach for prescription medication to get a good night's rest. There are actually a ton of natural sleep remedies out there that have actually been backed by science. In this video we're diving deep into my top 5 picks for natural sleep aids that can help you reclaim those precious Z's. We're going to break down exactly how each of these remedies works, the science behind their effectiveness, and how you can safely incorporate them into your routine for a more restful sleep. Remember, I'm all about empowering you guys to take control of your health, and that includes getting a good night's sleep. So if you're ready to say goodbye to sleepless nights and wake up feeling refreshed and recharged, then keep watching. First up, let's talk about melatonin. Now, melatonin is a naturally occurring hormone produced by the pineal gland in your brain. This small, pea-sized gland is located near the center of your brain and plays a crucial role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Think of it like your body's internal sleep timer. It helps to keep your sleep schedule on track, ensuring you get the rest you need. As it starts to get dark outside, your brain releases melatonin, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. This natural process helps you feel drowsy and ready for bed. One of the coolest things about melatonin is that it's not just about making you sleepy, it actually helps to regulate your circadian rhythm. This rhythm is like an internal clock that runs in the background of your brain and cycles between sleepiness and alertness at regular intervals. You know, that internal clock that dictates your sleep-wake cycle. It helps you stay in sync with the natural day-night cycle of the environment. This makes melatonin especially helpful for people who are dealing with jet lag, shift work, or anything else that throws their sleep schedule out of whack. For instance, if you've traveled across multiple time zones, your internal clock might be out of sync with the local time, making it hard to fall asleep. Now, when it comes to melatonin supplements, they essentially give your body a little boost of this sleep-regulating hormone. These supplements can be particularly useful if your body isn't producing enough melatonin on its own. And studies have shown that melatonin can be effective in reducing the time it takes to fall asleep, improving sleep quality, and even alleviating daytime fatigue. This means you can wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to take on the day. But here's the thing, guys, even though melatonin is a natural supplement, it's still super important to talk to your doctor before you start taking it. Your healthcare provider can give you personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. Just like with any other supplement or medication, there can be potential side effects or interactions with other medications you're taking. Some people might experience dizziness, headaches, or even mood changes. Your doctor can help you determine the right dosage for you and make sure that melatonin is a safe and appropriate option for your specific situation. They can also monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your health. Taking the right steps can help you reset your sleep cycle effectively and safely. Next up, we have Valerian root, an herbal remedy that's been used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep. You see, valerian root contains compounds that interact with a neurotransmitter called Gaba, which is responsible for calming the brain and reducing anxiety. Think of Gaba like a dimmer switch for your brain. When Gaba levels are high, your brain activity slows down, making you feel more relaxed and less stressed, and that's where valerian root comes in. By increasing GABA activity, valerian root helps to ease those racing thoughts and calm your mind, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Now, valerian root might not knock you out cold like some sleep medications, but that's actually a good thing. It works more gently by promoting a sense of calm and relaxation, which can be super helpful if you find yourself feeling wired and anxious at bedtime. One of the things I like about valerian root is that it's generally well tolerated. However, it's always a good idea to start with a low dose and see how your body reacts. You can gradually increase the dosage as needed, but again, it's essential to chat with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your routine, including valerian root. Moving on to a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including, you guessed it, sleep magnesium. Magnesium is like your body's natural chill-out mineral. It helps to regulate neurotransmitters, including GABA, which, as we just discussed, is essential for relaxation and sleep. But magnesium's benefits for sleep don't stop there. It also helps to regulate muscle function, and we all know how important it is to relax those muscles before bed. Ever get those annoying leg cramps at night? Magnesium can help with that too. Now you can boost your magnesium intake through diet by incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, almonds, avocado, and dark chocolate. Always a good excuse to have some dark chocolate. But if you're not getting enough magnesium through your diet alone, supplements can be a helpful option. Just be sure to choose a high-quality magnesium supplement and start with a low dose to see how your body tolerates it. And as always, check with your doctor to make sure it's right for you. Let's be honest, who doesn't love the soothing scent of lavender? Its delicate floral aroma has a way of instantly calming the mind and lifting the spirits. But did you know that this fragrant flower isn't just pleasant to smell? It can actually help you sleep better too? Yes, lavender is more than just a pretty scent. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your sleep quality. Lavender has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its calming and sleep-promoting effects, and modern science is starting to back up those traditional uses. Ancient cultures, from the Romans to the Egyptians, have long cherished lavender for its therapeutic properties. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender essential oil can slow the heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce anxiety, all of which are super helpful for preparing your body for sleep. Imagine your body gradually easing into a state of tranquility, making it easier to drift off into a restful slumber. It's like signaling to your body that it's time to unwind and let go of the day's stresses. The gentle aroma of lavender acts as a natural cue for your body to start its relaxation process. Now, there are a few different ways you can incorporate lavender into your bedtime routine. Whether you prefer oils, lotions, or even DIY projects, there's a method for everyone. One of my favorite ways is to add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser in your bedroom about an hour before bed. This simple step can transform your sleeping environment into a serene haven. This will fill your room with that calming lavender scent, creating a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for sleep. The gentle diffusion of lavender oil can make your bedroom feel like a peaceful retreat. You can also try adding a few drops of lavender oil to a warm bath, or using lavender-scented lotions or body washes. A warm bath infused with lavender oil can be incredibly soothing, helping to melt away tension and prepare your body for rest. And if you're feeling crafty, you can even make your own lavender sleep sachets by filling a small cloth bag with dried lavender flowers. This can be a fun and rewarding project that adds a personal touch to your sleep routine. Just place the sachet under your pillow or near your bed to enjoy the soothing aroma all night long. The continuous release of lavender's calming scent can help maintain a peaceful sleep environment, ensuring you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about sleep hygiene. You can think of sleep hygiene as the foundation of good sleep. It's all about creating a consistent and relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. One of the most important aspects of good sleep hygiene is maintaining a regular sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Another key element of sleep hygiene is creating a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include things like taking a warm bath, reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. The key is to find what works best for you and helps you to unwind before bed. Your sleep environment can also play a big role in how well you sleep. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains to block out any light and earplugs if you live in a noisy environment. And finally, make sure your bed is comfortable and supportive. Invest in a good quality mattress, pillows, and bedding that will help you get a restful night's sleep. Another important aspect to consider is avoiding screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Instead, engage in calming activities that don't involve screens, such as journaling or gentle stretching. Also, be mindful of what you consume before bed. Limiting caffeine and avoiding heavy meals can make a significant difference in your sleep quality. Creating a sleep-friendly environment goes beyond just the physical space. It also involves establishing a mental state conducive to sleep. Practicing gratitude or positive affirmations before bed can help clear your mind and set a peaceful tone for the night. Remember, a consistent sleep routine is not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can lead to better overall well-being and improved daily functioning. By mastering your sleep routine, you can wake up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to take on the day with a clear mind and a positive outlook. So, take the time to create a sleep routine that works for you, and enjoy the benefits of a good night's sleep. So there you have it, guys. My top 5 natural sleep remedies to help you get a better night's sleep and wake up refreshed. Remember, quality sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being, so don't underestimate its importance in your daily life. If you're struggling with sleep, I encourage you to give these natural remedies a try. Experiment with different ones to see what works best for you. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications, be sure to talk to your doctor before making any changes to your healthcare routine. Now go ahead and prioritize those Z's. Sweet dreams, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Also, feel free to share your own experiences or suggestions for toothache remedies in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. Stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any specific questions or need further information, feel free to ask. Harness the power of nature. Take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.